Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to master beats, how to master your beats. So first you need to do now, this is our project, the beat we just finished laying. I've already mixed some. So just basically going to preview the beat for you. So just previewing the beat. So we have already arranged this beat, and the next section we're going to do is to master this beat. So in this particular section, I'm going to show you how to master your beat. So the first thing you need to do is to come where you have the density of your beat, where you have all the instruments playing, or you just simply use to highlight and ensure that they're in one place. So the next step we're going to take is to go to the mixer channel. So when you get to this, our mixer channel, so guys, so make sure you subscribe to this, subscribe and like this video, and also comment the next video you want me to do for you in the comment section, so that you continue to get notification whenever I post a new video on this channel. We also have a free class Telegram channel where we also post music production secrets and tricks on how to become better in music production. So do well to click to check on that link in the description so that you join the class now. So all you simply do, now that we are on our mixer channel, what you need to do is to go to your master. We'll go to master. You can see written master here. So this is the master channel. So on this master channel is where you're going to be adding your effects that you're going to use to master your beats. So the first thing you're going to do is to add an EQ tool, an EQ tool. So we're going to go to the effect section. We're going to look for our EQ. So this is our equalizer EQ here. So an equalizer EQ is a tool for you to manage your frequencies, your sound. So first of all, what we're going to do to this sound is to remove unwanted frequency that we don't like from this sound, frequency that can make your sound not to sound well. We're going to do so. Such frequencies are excessive high end and excessive low frequency. So low frequencies are usually from bass frequencies, and high frequencies are usually from sharp frequencies, those high tss and s. So if you have excessive frequency, the sound will be paining your ear. But if you have excessive low frequency, it will not enable other sounds to come out freely. So that's why we are using this equalizer tool. So first we're going to do, just right click here, then go to this frequency cut. You can see 20 to 18 hertz cut. Use like this. So usually you can also experiment 30 hertz cut, 30 hertz or 40 hertz cuts. So now that we have applied our equalizer to remove some of these frequencies, so the next thing we're going to do is to bring in our compressor. So we're going to use our Fruity compressor. Here we come to limiter. So this particular tool carries two different tools at the same time, but they are similar. So where you have this white here is the button. We have limiter, we also have compressor. But right now in this particular section, we're going to be using our compressor tool. So we have to switch this button to compressor. So now this particular tool, we are on the compression. But if it is here, it's on limiter. This is another tool entirely. So we are going to use compression next on our tool. We're going to use compression here. So on our compression, we're going to use 2.2 ratio. You can check the measurement here. You can see there 2.2 ratio. I'm going to use 3.1 ratio. I'm going to bring it down to curb our frequency. So you can see we're managing our excessive frequencies. So guys, now that we have compressed our instrument, the next thing we're going to bring in is stereo enhancer. A stereo enhancer tool helps you to spread your instrument to both of your speakers and also not only that, to give your instrument space for them to breathe very well. And when your instrument can breathe very well in your mix, they are going to sound better whenever you play them on the outdoor, in your car, and every other places. So we've added our stereo enhancer. Stereo enhancer help you space your instrument so that they can have spaces in your mix to breathe. So if you notice, before, after. So guys, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to this channel, so whenever we post wonderful videos like this, you get notification. And also don't forget to join our Telegram class, where we post regular videos on tips and tricks on music production. So to just recap, remember I told you you have to recap this section again. I told you you have to select where all your instruments are together. Then secondly, you have to go to your master section. It is your master section. You're going to add effect. If you are new to mastering, you're going to click. So the first thing you're going to do is to add your EQ. Then why should you add your EQ? To remove unwanted frequency that may disturb your mixing. Then secondly, you go to add what? A compressor. So we added a compressor. As you can see, our compressor channel is here to help. Why do we use compressor? To help manage our dynamics. So the thirdly is going to add a stereo enhancer to help spread your mix so that they can have spaces to breathe, and so that they can play well and shine well in the mixing space and also in your speakers. So the last one that we're going to add is our gain section, which is called limiter. So we're going to go to our DAW and we're going to add limiter here. So now we are on our limiter. So here you're going to bring out this down. So we have gotten our sound together. Here we're going to increase the overall of all the mix. If you check here, your sound is hitting 9 dB approximately. So now we're going to hit the overall like this. So ensure your sound is hitting 0 watt dB. So guys, this is our total mix. So I'm going to do the preview for you. So here you're going to, this is your effect channel. So I'm going to off and on and do the before and after. So before, after. Before, after. So guys, you can see the massive difference. So this is the process and your mastery chain and all the different effects you use to master your beat. So I'm going to off them individually to see how they connected to each other. So I'm going to put them on. So I'm going to preview this particular sound from the beginning to see how it sounds. So guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel to ensure. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that whenever we post videos like this, you get notification. So guys, this is how you master your sound in FL Studio. This is how you master your beats. So follow the step-by-step videos play them over and over again. Follow the same step by step so that you get the same result, such as the one we just got here in this video. All right, so if you are new to music production, we have other videos in the description below where we teach. We have other videos that talk about how to make beat from beginning to the end, how to arrange your beat, how to mix your beat from beginning to the end, and also how to master your beat. So make sure you check out those videos in the description, and see you in the next video.